Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Balancer for portfolio rebalancing pools, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Balancer for portfolio rebalancing pools, start by logging into your Balancer account. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your current liquidity pools. Click on the Create Pool button to begin setting up a new portfolio rebalancing pool. Select the assets you wish to include in your pool. Determine the weights for each asset based on your desired allocation. Set the pool's swap fee percentage according to your strategy. Review the unique features of Balancer, such as smart pools and liquidity bootstrapping. Once you have made all selections, click on the Create button to initialize the pool. After creating the pool, navigate to the Manage Pools section. Locate your newly created pool and click on the Activate button. Review the activation requirements, ensuring that you have the necessary liquidity. Confirm the transaction to activate your rebalancing pool. Once activated, your pool will be live and available for trading. Monitoring your pool is crucial, so keep an eye on the performance metrics. Be sure to periodically adjust your weights and liquidity based on market conditions. Utilize Balancer's analytics tools to track the effectiveness of your rebalancing strategy. With your Balancer portfolio rebalancing pool activated, you are now equipped to manage your assets efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.